Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. And also don't forget, guys, that this content should not be considered as any official financial advice and is provided for educational purposes only. Guys, if you enjoy this type of educational content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Just one click away. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, guys. Immediately heading into the content for today about the fear and greed index, guys. Let's analyze that crypto climate, how things are going. Jay, let us know. That's what I'm here for. So we have the fear and greed index. Immediately we see that, we're just consolidating here, guys. 40 continues to be that pivot high, and 20 continues to be that pivot low. We made a high and then a higher high, and we have a low of 25, then a higher low of 26, I guess. So, in that sense, we're just consolidating sideways. It's trying to form some type of small uptrend, maybe to retest that 40 resistance. But we just have to wait and see. We're ranging right now. As long as we're above 20 and below 40, we're just going sideways. And once we break either one of those, then that's going to be a powerful indicator of where the markets should be heading, in the short-term future, guys. And then we have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, just to sneak it in here. Usually we don't talk much about this one, but Ethereum right now, number 2 coin in the world. There's fear right now, at 34. I just wanted to make sure that you guys keep that in mind. And then obviously here, for Bitcoin, we talked about the charts, but the actual level is 29. For yesterday it was the same, and last week it was at 27. Last month it was at 24. So as we can see, we had a little bit of an uptrend here, but we have to, see if it's going to be short-lived or if it's here to stay. So with Bitcoin's current price, yesterday's candle was a red bearish negative candle. For the day, we had a strong buy wick here. As we can see, we came down to retest that $16,200 support level. We wicked up a little bit, closed higher at around that 16,450, and then from there today, we have a green bullish positive candle for the day. We do have a bit of a sell wick here, just attempting to pierce through this resistance of $16,850, guys, give or take an extra couple of bucks. So right now we're battling. It seems that Bitcoin is piercing through, but we have to see how the candle is going to close by the end of the day today. For now, we're just stuck in this range. If we pierce through, then we're up here where the next resistance would continue to be that $17,619 level, guys. So right now, Bitcoin, overall, it's been going, sideways. Of course, it chops here, but at the end of the day, we've been in this range between essentially 17.6 and 15.6, a $2,000 range. Not much has changed, at least up until now. So we definitely have to keep, our eyes on Bitcoin's price. Then we move on to the weekly chart. Excuse me. For Bitcoin is here. Look at this, beautiful descending channel. I'm sorry for that. Descending channel we have here, where we have the channel, right? Price, pierced through, then came up, down, up, down, and now it seems we're going up. And then, as long as we're within this channel on the weekly, then, most likely we'll respect it until it either breaks up or breaks down. For now, the support is the same thing, 15.7, towards the upside is 18.5. As we can see here, this candle looks like a hammer candle, where you have this wick. There's different types of hammer candles. There's bullish and bearish. Right now there's a bearish hammer candle where you have this massive sell wick here. The small wick on the top, usually the smaller the wick, the more powerful the candle is. But as we can see, we've gone down a bit, since this candle, because this was, quite some sell pressure on the weekly chart. So, it's definitely something to keep in mind. And then we have this small candle that opened just a couple of days ago, so the week is fresh. We don't know how it's going to close. For now, it's green, bullish, positive, but, we have to wait and see by the end of the week how this candle is going to close and if it's going to hold, at such levels, guys. So not much has changed on the weekly since this massive move, towards the downside. a couple of weeks ago, more than a month ago. So, we'll definitely keep you guys informed. The DXY, we talked about it in our last episode. We were right here with this candle. We said we were going to review it in our next episode, and here we are. We do see that we have back-to-back bearish candles. We couldn't even reach the 105.35 resistance level. Right now we're just testing. We're testing the top part of this trend line here where we were at the channel. We broke out. We're retesting. And then after the retest, that's when we might reverse things, or we might come back inside the channel, and then break the support and head towards the next support level, towards the downside, which in this case would be around that $100 point area here on the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index. So it's definitely, going to be important moving forward to keep our eyes on it. And then the Bitcoin dominance, guys, same thing. We pierced through, but right now we're just here basically at this resistance, just trying to pierce through in a stable way, where here we went up, but now we're right under it, just trying to confirm it as either resistance before coming back down, or pierce through, confirm it as support before continuing on. So we just have to wait and see. Right now Bitcoin is dominant. After FTX scandal, altcoins are losing a lot of value with regards against Bitcoin. So it's gaining percentage right now at that 42% level, is currently battling that. If it breaks that towards the upside, it'll be 44% next. If it doesn't and it comes back down, then that 40% would be the target. We're just ranging here, guys, between 40 and 42, and then if it breaks towards the upside, you have the next target here. If it comes back down, then it will be a retest of the support to see if that holds before either moving back up or coming back down towards the next support level. Guys, you see, it's easy peasy. Everything comes down to support and resistance, guys. TA, technical analysis is a very beautiful thing. Guys, if you enjoy this content, make sure you click the link in the description below. It'll take you to our free educational playlist here. A lot of videos, great videos talking about many different cryptocurrency educational videos, like fundamental analysis, what it is, that the fear and greed index, a little bit more in depth, global inflation and recession. We even talk about technical analysis. Where is it? Right here, the benefits of technical analysis. Just great cryptocurrency content. And then don't forget to swing by our Twitter. If you want to participate in our giveaway, a lot of people are not following the instructions as they should. They're commenting on the actual giveaway video instead of clicking on the link below in the description. So that's going to affect the participation of quite a few people. It's easy. It's just a couple of instructions. As long as you follow it, then you'll guarantee participation in our giveaway. But make sure our Christmas giveaway, you need to follow us. You need to follow us so that I can communicate with the winner of our beautiful giveaway, guys. So today's theme was about the bear market. It's tough, guys. It's tough to get through a bear market. Who's left, right? That was the question. Who's still here? It's tough. Look at that. If you zoom out, this is a weekly. You can go towards the monthly even. Look at this chart. It's just been wow. Look at that. Just for a full year, literally just strong downtrend. And next year expecting to be a recessionary year. We got to wait and see if it plays out, but we might even head on down lower, right? It's tough to survive these bear markets, these type of environments. People love when we're up here. Bull market, all-time highs, prices pumping, a lot of people making profits, things of that nature. It's easy to get in up here. But if you're here, if you're watching this content, first of all, thank you so much for the support and for being here and consuming our channel's content. That's what I strive for, to provide quality cryptocurrency educational content on my channel, but you're here educating yourself. You're the one that we need to commend. The fact that you're here, that is just commendable. Most people left. It's me, you, and a couple of other people. We're here, right? We're grinding through. We're getting through this bear market, but it's not easy at all. So I just wanted to comment, on that. A lot of people don't know what to do. Very uncertain times, maybe recession next year, bear market for crypto. People want prices just to go up, things of that nature, but just stick through, be patient and believe in yourself. And the grass will be greener on the other side, guys. So briefly, Bitcoin BTC, the king, currently at around $16,867, down 4.83%. Then we have Ethereum at $1,215, down 7.61%. Number 3, BNB at $250 a pop, down 7.14%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 35 cents, give or take, down about 10-11%. And then number 5, the Dogecoin, it's around 7 cents, 7.4 cents, down 17.40%. Man, that's the top 5 for you in the last 7 days, in the last week. Now, the best performers within that same time frame, we start with XDC Network at around 2.7 pennies, up 26.29%. Number 2, Toncoin at $2.44, up 6.88%. Then number 3, Immutable X at 45 cents, up 4.34%. And then we have the next two is just stable coins. What does that mean? That the market, really altcoins have been dumping recently, so not too much outperformers lately. So we move on to the top 5 worst performing assets for the past week. We have Chain XCN at 2 pennies, down 38.28%, man, basically down 40%. Yikes. Number 2, Trust Wallet Token at about $1.58, down 30.43%. Number 3, Filecoin at $3 a pop, down 30%. Number 4, No Tree. No, it never gets so. I just always laugh at this stable coin. The $1 stable coin is at 54 cents, basically half a dollar, man. Look at that, down 25%. Let's leave it at that. And then number 5, Stacks. Y'all should be stacking in this bear market. I don't know if stacking stacks, of that particular coin. This is not official financial advice, but stacking silver, gold, Bitcoin, hard money, hard assets, guys. So if you enjoy this type of informative cryptocurrency educational content, make sure you guys like this video. I would really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to our beautiful cryptocurrency educational channel here, fresh off the press videos if you click the notification bell. And then we also have a link to our website, a lot of great investment tools and resources here for you guys, just a click away, guys. Thank you so much for your support, your time and attention. I hope you guys have a good one.